afternoon. It just rained. I turned this on before I figured out what I was gonna say. Look who's spending the night. We are gonna party it up tonight. What?
That was the best moment ever.
That was awesome. We're getting ready to do the baby food challenge, and the way we're gonna do it, you have to guess what type of baby food you're eating. And if you get it wrong, you have to pick a punishment ingredient that's gonna go in the blended food challenge, which is gonna be a second video we do. So Jess was picking out all the ingredients that we might have to put in our blended food, which is gonna be disgusting. But it was all her idea, so
Yeah,
thank you. Okay, what's the first one? Oh, sick. Okay, the first one is an old donut. Still want to do this? Oh, nasty! Pickle. Why are we doing this? Oh, this is horrible. Oh my goodness. The baby food alone is gonna be okay, but the blended food is gonna be so much worse. You brought this on us.
I know.
You brought this on us. Sick! And oh, nasty. There's caffeine in this too, so lovely. No! That is old popcorn. Oh. That's bad. Please not that.
Hey.
That's sick. You're horrible.
That's the point.
Oh, nasty.
Some fruit snack.
You need one more.
Ooh, fruit snack.
Not when you blend it up with pickles and 3-day-old popcorn.
And
Big news. These are punishment ingredients. Ew. Okay.
Well, if you think about it, it's not too bad.
Let's start eating baby food. Mix them all together and then we'll talk. It's 2:40. We're all very tired. I'm still nauseous from drinking that horrible blended catastrophe. And we thought it'd be fun to play life. It's not fun to play the game of life at 2:40 in the morning. It's just not.
We should have a band called Life at 2:40.
That's like, I like that. That's funny.
But Richie here is a hell of a kid, and he's struggling. You see,
3 a.m. IHOP! I was really tired and then I just suddenly got a boost of energy because I saw a car with a mustache. Who does that? Yes, I'm wearing suspenders and a hat. I ditched the bow tie. But I have bow ties on my socks, so that counts. Pancakes and veggie omelet. Yeah. We're now the only people in this entire IHOP. There's no one.
I only want like
Only people. All done eating. I'm tired now.
another one bites.
I think I'm ready to go to sleep. Tomorrow we're gonna see the Backstreet Boys in concert again.
Such a feeling today.
Today, yeah. Hey. But this time with Kevin. So
Yay!
and Jesse McCartney. Yes.
Don't forget
And-
DJ Pauly D.
Yeah, he just I don't
Enough
understand.
said.
Yeah. There's not much more I can say about that. Leaving IHOP. And the mustache car is gone. I didn't get to show you. Bummer. Beans milk. Why? Why did I show that? Okay. So, that's it. See you today. Later. Bye.